Look at that amazing Play-Doh we have to open today.
Oh.
Who is excited?
Me, Bingo.
Bingo! And you, Bluey?
Yes.
Okay, girls. Let's open it then. Cut. Let's take all of these things out. Okay.
And don't forget to Play-Doh.
Look at this one. Doesn't that look neat? Oh, 2 colors. Very nice. And there's another one here.
Don't forget the other one.
We have plenty of very colorful Play-Doh. And here are the forms that we're going to be using. Here are 2 doggies, Bingo and Bluey. And here are all kind of accessories and fun things. Wow, look at that, a xylophone and a fancy hat. And here are little paws. Here are 2 little tools for Bingo and Bluey to help us. Each of these forms has 2 sides to them. Who are we making first?
Bingo.
Bingo! Here are all the pieces. The orange for Bingo.
Yes.
And then we have some Play-Doh for Bingo as well. Oh, and you chose this one? Are you going to be making one of these characters here? Which one? That's a Bingo grandmom. She looks like she's just covered with a blankie. And it's a nice 2-color blankie. Really cool. Okay, let's make that Bingo. We need to fill this form with orange Play-Doh. Great, we have the perfect amount. And now we can use the roller to roll it out. Okay, let's flip her to the other side. And here is Bingo. This all needs to be yellow. Look at that, it's her paws and her tail, tip of her tail and her tummy. This is the tip of her tail, right here. It goes right there. And looks good. Now, are we gonna put her little paws in? Yes. Cool. She has 2 little paws. All of her paws are ready and the tip of her tail. And now let's put in her tummy. Now her eyebrows. She's still missing eyebrows. 1 eyebrow is ready. Now we're gonna make a second one. Second eyebrow, voila. Now let's make her eyes. I need this awesome double color Play-Doh. First we're gonna make the brown patch around her eyes, here and here. They're wild pigs. This blanket is really nice. And her ears are sticking out of the blanket. But it's really cute. And you're gonna put her eyebrows. Look at this, Granny. Look at me, Mommy and Daddy. Look at me, Bluey. I'm a granny here. Would you like a blanket as well, Bingo? Gonna make a blanket just for you. Are you cozy and comfy, Bingo? She didn't even say anything.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe she's just very comfortable, or maybe she's a little bit shy. Are we gonna make Bluey? Okay. Let's make Bluey next to this Granny Bingo. Are we making any character Bluey, or are we just making simple Bluey? Are we making another Granny? Okay, let's make this Granny. Red blankie. Let's use this lovely form for making our sweet blue dog. Do your blues. Here is Bingo. Now we're gonna make the blankie.
This one is blue.
Now we have to make her face and paws, right? And a tail. Right?
Splat.
Splat. Splat is great. Splat works. Here we are, Bluey and Bingo. They look like two little grannies. Okay, grannies. Thank you for playing. See you.